Okay, we're giving you all a squishy and
Fidgety techie haul.
fidgets haul. So, first we have these 5 little mini poppets.
Next,
And then we have this.
Then we have a clicker.
Then we have this little dinosaur dimple.
PB&J dimple.
We have little bendies. And then I have my pink poppet.
I have a green poppet.
A little square. Then we'll do this one together. We have this little cute Among Us one.
Yeah.
My brother stole my other one, but it's okay.
Then we have a dream drop.
These are all mine.
Oh,
Both Stan came.
and last, I think she wants to do it.
I'm gonna put this one back in the box. I put this on my vanity just for like a little bit of decoration. Or like whenever I finish doing my makeup, I blow both my hands and I play with it. Next, this.
It's a
Butter squishy. I didn't know I was supposed to get it, but my mom, I guess, ordered it for me. So don't know when or anything. But apparently, now I have a butter squishy. But yeah. But these are all of my fidgets and squishies
And clicker.
and clicker.
Bye, guys.